Hello everybody, today we'll discuss on Indian historical monuments GK question and answers. What is the national monument of India? India Gate. How many heritage sites are there in India in 2021? 40. In which state Ajanta and Ellora caves situated? Maharashtra. What was built by Emperor Shah Jahan when he shifted his capital from Agra to Delhi? Red Fort. Which temple is called Black Pagoda? Konark Sun Temple. Which is India's first World Heritage Site? Agra Fort. Which is the world's tallest brick minaret in the world? Qutub Minar. It is the tallest brick minaret in the world with a height of 72.5 meters. It is designed according to Indo-Mughal architecture style. Which fort is called Golden Fort? Jaisalmer Fort. Who founded Fatehpur Sikri? Emperor Akbar. Name the Indian temple architecture that is depicted in Konark Temple. Kalinga architecture. Which heritage site is famous for its Chalukya style of architecture? Patadakal. Patadakal is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Karnataka that is famous for its Chalukya style of architecture. It was the capital of the Chalukya dynasty between 6th and 8th century AD. Which is the first garden tomb of India? Humayun's tomb. A world famous Hampi monument is located on the banks of which river? Tungabhadra river. Which building is known as white marble Mughal architecture? Taj Mahal in Agra. Name the Indian kingdom for which Hampi was the former capital. Vijayanagara Empire. Name an astronomical observatory built in 18th century by Rajput king Sawai Jai Singh of Rajasthan. Jantar Mantar. Which monument is also called Palace of Winds? Hawa Mahal. This palace is located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Who built Khajuraho temples? Chandala dynasty. Which is the main temple at Khajuraho? Kaundarya Mahadeva. The largest and currently most famous surviving temple is Kaundarya Mahadeva. It dates back to 10th century CE. Which fort is popular for its acoustic architecture? Golconda Fort, Telangana. Where are Dilwara temples situated? Mount Abu, Rajasthan. What is the name of the 5 temples in Mahabalipuram that are carved out from a single rock in a shape of chariot? Pancharathas. It is also an example of monolithic Indian rock cut architecture. Who built Charminar of Hyderabad? Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah. It was constructed to commemorate the eradication of plague in 1591. How many caves are there in Elephanta Caves? 7. Where is Rock-cut Caves located in Karnataka? Badami Cave Temples. Badami Cave Temples are a complex of Hindu and Jain cave temples located in Badami, a town in Bagalkot district in northern part of Karnataka. Name the world famous unique monument in Ellora Cave. Kailash Temple. It is the largest single monolithic rock excavation in the world. Which temple is given the tag of brightest star in galaxy of medieval temples of Deccan? Ramappa Temple, Telangana. Which mountain railways are the part of World Heritage Site of India? Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, Nilgiri Mountain Railway, Kalka Shimla Railway. Who built Jama Masjid? Shah Jahan. Which Indus cities are well known for water management? Dholavira. It is the 40th World Heritage Site in India located in Gujarat. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel for more GK question and answers.